Good afternoon. Terrible night. The other bugger around me, he put up, I don't know what it is, but it made a lot of noise. 12 o'clock, awake. 3 o'clock, awake. 5 o'clock, awake. 7 o'clock, awake. I have a terrible night tonight, so, but still, we're gonna do some shit, though. Yeah, but first, we're gonna need to charge a lot, because this is one of the benefits on the place I live right here. I got electricity, water, I got everything I need. Yeah, so the flairs we're gonna test out today. Just one. Another one. Three. Don't worry, they are expired. So the last date on this one was July 2012. And I have one from September 1985. That's thick as all the... So this one is pretty easy. Take off the top, take off the top. Here's gonna be a fuse. Pull it, it's gonna ignite. Easy. This one is a little bit different. Have to take this one, take off the lid, twist off the red. Then you can take off the red. You can spark it, and you have a whole flare. So this one is the funny one. You twist it, pop it, signals out. So when it's a little bit dark, we're gonna test them out.
Yep.
Right. Come eens in, hè?
No.
Okay. So today, we're gonna test out first 1985. It's gonna be interesting. Take off the red. Schiet maar naar de schiet maar naar de andere kant.
Comigo.
Hey, that one worked!
Wat vind je? Zo kan moeten.
Now we got another one. You still see me, though. Now we got another one. This one, let me check. Remove the red cap. Yes. Turn the red one. Ooh, this one. Wat zie je aan toe? And that is live on opcy, bitches! I love you though. And now run away for the cops! Hey, still, hey, film that one though, still burning. Expired from 2012. It still works like a motherfucker. Tomorrow I show you some more, I will give some more burns. Damn, that's hot. Bueno, ja, ik heb ook materiaal in karretassen en allemaal.